Welcome everyone to the Sustainable Library. Today we are in my garden, as you can see, and I'm going to do a little how-to tutorial on how to line your wooden planters. These amazing planters behind me were made by my husband, and we're super excited to fill them with all our veggies this year. But obviously, because they're made with raw wood, they need to be lined with something. So I've got the best how-to guide to line your planters with old compost and dog food bags. This is such a great tip actually, because it's wonderful to reuse the dog food bags from the dog that we got not that long ago, and I've been wondering what am I going to do with his dog food bags, and this is just a great way to reuse them and not let them end up in landfill. Even though some of them can be recycled, I love reusing rather than recycling, always first. So if you follow me, I will show you how to line your planters with old compost and dog food bags.